Facebook Business Manager is a platform that provides businesses with a centralized location to manage their presence on Facebook, including advertising campaigns, pages, and other assets. The Business Manager allows businesses to manage their pages and ads from one place and provides access to multiple tools to create and monitor campaigns, measure performance, and access insights about audience engagement. With Business Manager, businesses can add team members and allocate roles and permissions to keep their campaigns secure and organized. Additionally, businesses can connect their Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and advertising accounts and manage them all from one place. Facebook Business Manager also integrates with third-party tools such as analytics platforms and CRMs to provide businesses with a complete picture of their performance on Facebook and other social media channels.